you got a second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. Got the shades in your eyes and your hair so high that you can't even hide it. Time. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that shit? We're paying with the love tonight. It's not about our money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. So forget about a price tag. Ain't about a shake, shake, ain't about yeah. Bling, wanna make the world dance. Forget about a price tag. Ha! Listen, we need to take it back in time. When music made us all unite. And it wasn't love lost in the videos. Am I the only one getting tired? Why is everybody so obsessed? Money can't buy us happiness. Can we all slow down and enjoy right now? Guarantee we'll be doing alright. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that shit? We're paying with the love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about a price tag. Ain't about the change, ain't about yeah. We're playing, wanna make the world dance. Forget about a price tag. La 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 la. Hey! La 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 la. La 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 la. Gusto ko kayong marinig. One more time. Hey! La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Whoa, it's all about money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about a price tag. Ain't about change, ain't about yeah. But wanna make the world dance. Forget about a price. We can chance. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. World dance. Price tag. Ain't about change, ain't about yeah. Bling, wanna make the world dance. Forget about price tag. You want more? Magandang gabi po. Iligan City, happy Diani Festival po. Iliganon, tama po ba? Maraming salamat po for being here today. Palakpakan ninyo ang inyong mga sarili. Ayan! Thank you so much for being here. At kayo po talaga ay nagbigay ng time para po sa amin ngayon, mga GMA artists. At syempre, palakpakan din po natin ang GMA! Yay! Thank you so much! Marami po ba dito nanonood ng Party Pilipinas? Yes! At syempre, ito po ang bagong show sa GMA, ang Prodigy. May nanonood po ba ng Prodigy? Ayan po! Isa po ako doon sa mga mentors at sana po ay supportahan niyo po yan. At syempre, ang aking pong Prodigy, every Sunday po mapapanood niyo po yan. At syempre, everyday din yung Inside Prodigy. Ayan. Yes! Nakuha po sa aking tatlo sa aking Prodigy. Meron pong isang nakuha at ang kanyang pong pangalan ay si Nomer. Yung bata pong napaka-cute, napakagaling kumanta, isang rockista. Sana po ay supportahan niyo po si Nomer sa mga susunod pong pagsabak niya po sa Prodigy. At syempre, ano pa ba, Little Mermaid po, gaganap din po ako na Ariel. Sa November po, magsa-start po yung aming show. So sana po ay supportahan niyo po yan. And hindi po ako aalis dito ngayong gabi, syempre, hanggat hindi po sinishare sa inyo yung aking pong bagong kanta. Isang makapagpagbagdamdaming awit.